Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today, I have a video that's not really planned today. I have my stuff from my Pat Mcgrath Bridgerton line that she has to go over with you. I actually wasn't going to film this at all, but once I opened it, I started looking at the items. I realized how gorgeous and how stunning they were. I couldn't not share with everyone. So this is the box it came in. It was really cool because it had one of these peel off things that you just peel it off instead of having to like cut open tape. So it was kind of cool. It looks like this. Okay, so right now with Pat Mcgrath Labs, if you spend $85, you get a free like one of her glitter lipsticks. So I did get that in this order. Everything is really neatly packaged inside, which I really like. It looks like she threw in a sample of her Divine Skin Rose Essence, which I absolutely love Essence, so I think that's cool that they put a little sample in here. Even this is just so pretty to me. But it almost looks like milk. It's like separated in there, but it looks kind of cool, different than any other Essence I've seen before, so I'll definitely be giving that a go. Okay, so this is the real reason right here why I made this order. This highlighter here is the Bridgerton Sublime Skin Highlighter. And this one's actually in the shade of Incandescent Gold. This is the outside packaging. Already getting super excited. Okay, so I can already tell you from picking up and holding it that this is not a cheaply made packaging. It's heavier. It feels like they put some money inside of this packaging, which I can appreciate considering this highlighter is $60. So, and this is the highlighter here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about it. I just think it's so fancy, so nice, and so perfect looking. But yeah, I am completely obsessed with this. And then this is the first swatch that I've ever done of this, which I'm really excited to do. Okay, that's pretty. It's a pretty highlight there. I just love how it has the angel, and it's almost like a stamp on there, which is really cool. But then I also got, this is a free lipstick that I got with my order. And I chose this shade. Let's see if I can find the shade name on here. This is a Blitz Trance and Skin Sane is the name of this. But this is the packaging on it. It's just like an iridescent packaging. It's really fun. And then when you open it, you have absolutely gorgeous packaging. All this sparkle, all this glitter on here. And then all this attention to fine details that she put in the packaging as well. And yet again, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel, it feels expensive. So that's nice. And then the lipstick itself, oh my gosh, it's just absolutely stunning. It is just covered in glitter. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, wow. That is so pretty. So it has like a nudie pink color. And then it has, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's like a gold glitter sparkle to it. So it's really beautiful. Love it. And lastly, I know this is not that much stuff, guys, but I just thought this makeup was like the most beautiful makeup I've ever held in my own actual hands. So I just wanted to share it with everyone. And I'm definitely going to be trying this stuff out in reviews to let everyone know if I think the quality is worth the price, because this stuff is pretty pricey. But the last item I got was this Bridgerton Palette, and this is Belle of the Ball. Okay. So this is like, even though this is like a, almost like cardboard, like, it seems like a better quality, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't feel like poorly made or anything like that. And let's see what this palette looks like. I'm sorry, this is even more stunning to me in person than I could have ever imagined. This palette is just so beautiful. And you know I'm definitely going to do swatches for everyone here, but the detail on this is just absolutely amazing. There's the pink one. Oh, so pretty. This bumblebee one, this gold one right here. Oh my gosh, I barely put my finger in that. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Yeah, it seems like really good quality. Like I said, I'm definitely going to be trying this out and put it on reviews. Also, let me know, too, if you guys want to see, like, a tutorial using this palette or a get ready with me using this palette. I'd be more than happy to show you guys a couple different looks. That's actually everything I had for this in particular video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.